After reading the article about tips, I would like to say that the quality of service a restaurant provides should be as good as the quality of the food. So the employees, I mean the waiters and waitresses, are the ones who present and show their face for the restaurant, doing their best to make customers feel comfortable with the welcome. So it's unfair that restaurants keep the profits from that effort because the waiter is the one who interacts with the client, and according to the treatment, the client will decide if it's good to reward with a tip. In addition, restaurants earn enough money to pay their employees with the same earnings, not with tips. And at the same time, the restaurant can pay the expenses. And finally, acts like this reflect a bad corporate image and that they don't respect the rights of their employees.